Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video I'll show you how to move Taskbar in Windows 11 using a simple working method. Now let's get started. Step 1, click the link in the description and it will take you to GitHub where the required tool is hosted. This tool lets you customize Taskbar position beyond default Windows limits. Step 2, click latest release. This section always contains the newest stable version, so you avoid bugs and get the correct setup file. Step 3. Scroll down and click Setup.exe. This is the installer file you need to download. Make sure you click the correct executable file. Step 4. Open the Downloads folder. This is where your browser saves files by default, so you can quickly find the setup you just downloaded. Step 5. Double-click Setup.exe. This will start the installation process. Allow any permission prompts so the tool can install properly. Step 6. Right-click on the taskbar. After installation, this menu gains extra options, and that's where the customization settings live. Step 7. Click Properties. This opens the configuration window for the tool, where you control taskbar behavior and layout. Step 8, click the Taskbar tab. This tab contains all taskbar style and position settings, so stay inside this section. Step 9, click the Taskbar style drop-down. This lets you switch taskbar modes, which unlocks movement options not available in default Windows 11. Step 10, select Windows 10. This style supports flexible positioning and enables moving the taskbar to other sides of the screen. Step 11. Click the primary taskbar location on screen drop-down. Here you can choose exactly where the bar should appear. Step 12. Select top, left or right. Pick the position you like and the preview will update based on your choice. Step 13. Click Restart File Explorer. This applies all changes instantly and your taskbar will move to the selected side. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.